This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Gail Finley. This amazing one-level all-brick home has 2,265 square feet, 3 BRS, 2.5 bathrooms, located at the end of cul-de-sac, private fenced backyard. 2-car side entrance garage west/extended workshop area.Completely remodeled gorgeous kitchen west/gas stove, self-cleaning oven refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, 42 cabinets, island, pantry, granite, new flooring, west/bay window overlooking large brookyd. Converted the screen porch into a sunroom west/new roof, dedicated HVAC, lots of new windows with screens and opens to a deck west/sunsetter remote controlled retractable awning. Dining room west/tray ceiling and chair rail. New windows and steel clad front door, new tankless hot water heater, new HVAC, new gutters west/leaf guards and downpouts, all yard sprinkler system west/separate water meter, a new pergola and a storage shed and bkyd plus more. For more information, review the details below or contact Gail Finley at 865-693-1111.